Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to see how to download Apache Spark in your local system. So Apache Spark is basically a lightning fast cluster computing technology designed for fast computation. It is based on Hadoop MapReduce and it extends the MapReduce model to efficiently use it more types of computations, which includes interactive queries and stream processing. The main feature of Spark is its in-memory cluster computing that increases the processing speed of an application. Spark is designed to cover a wide range of workloads such as batch applications, iterative algorithms, interactive queries, and streaming. Apart from supporting all these workloads in a respective system, it reduces the management burden of maintaining separate models. Spark uses Hadoop in two ways, one in storage and second is processing. Since Spark has its own cluster management computation, it uses Hadoop for storage purposes only. So let me just give you a brief about the components of a Spark. So in this particular image, you can see Spark consists of these four core elements. One is MLlib. So basically it consists of all the machine learning libraries and all the machine learning tasks can be performed by this particular component. Another is streaming, which deals with the real-time data analytics so that it deals with the streaming of the data, stream flow of the data. And another is for SQL, which is basically for the interactive queries like just in SQL. And for graph computation, we have a GraphX part. So these are the four core components of Spark. And other than that, you can also see Spark supports R, Python, Scala, and Java. Now let's see how to download Spark. So in order to download Spark, first important thing is to download Java, because without Java we cannot run Spark. So for downloading Java, I have already downloaded Java, but still I can show you how to download it. You just have to go to, let me just open a new tab. You have to just download Java JDK download. And in the first link, you have to click it. It is based on Oracle. So you have to just click this link. Now, if you can scroll down, you can download the respective version. So I have Windows, so I can download it. So you can just download this x64 installer. And if you have different operating systems, so you can download it manually. So after you have installed Java in your computer, the first thing is basically to set up the path variable. So in order to set the path variable, you have to just type edit system variables, environment variables. Now you can click on this, and in this window you have to click on environment variables. So before creating a new system variable, you have to just copy the two paths. One path is for till the bin folder and another path is to just normal folder before bin. So let me just show you. So as you can see, this is the place where I have downloaded Java. So what you have to do is basically go into this Java folder and go to this bin directory and copy this path. Now you have to create new variable and you can type it as JRE home or Java home, JRE home, and you have to paste the path till the bin folder. Now for another thing, you have to go to one step back. Now after copying the bin path, you have to copy the path of this till the Java. Now again, you can go to the environment variables, click new, and for JRE home, you have to type JRE_home and paste the path. And for the bin, you have to go to the Java home and click OK. Now after you have downloaded Java, what you can do is just go to the CMD and you can check the Java by clicking Java space dash version. And if you click it, you can see, since I have downloaded the 18 version, I have the 18 version in my system. Now, after you have downloaded Java and configured its environment path, now next step is to download Spark. So for that, you can go to the Spark site, Spark download, click on it. Now in the first link for this Apache Software Foundation, you have to just click this link. It redirects you to this page. Now from here you have to select the version, and let me just select the latest version, and you can also select the package type. So just let me keep it as default, and after it you have to click download Spark. Now after clicking on this link, the download has started. Now let me come to you when the download has finished. Now you can see the file has been downloaded. So after downloading the file, you have to just make use of any unzipping tools which can unzip.tgz files. You have to just click it and make use of any unzip tools. I am currently using the WinZip unzipping tool, so I'll just click on it. Then I have to unzip to here. Now you can see the unzipping process has started. So till the extraction process happens, I would like to tell you that suppose you want to download another version of Spark, so you can just go to their website, and when you download it, so let me just go to the download part, you can just scroll down and you can see this archive releases option. So when you click on this release archives, you can just manually select the version of the Spark that you want to download. And another thing that I would like to add on is, after downloading Spark, I'll just give you one GitHub URL. This is the GitHub URL. So what you have to do is just download this winutils.exe file. I'll just paste this GitHub URL link in the comment section below, in the description section of the window, and you have to just click download. So just download this winutils.exe file. This will be useful for us. So after you have downloaded this winutil file, you have to copy this file, go to the Spark, go to the Win section, you have to paste it over here. That's it. Now let me just copy this folder, since I do not want this folder to be in C directory. Now after copying of the file, you have to add the environment variables for the Hadoop again into the system variables. So you again go to edit the system variable part, environment variable, and you have to clear a new path. Now you have to name it as Spark underscore home, and the value will be basically this up to this folder. You can just copy it till this location, and you can just paste the value here. Let me just wait. Okay, so just copy the best value here, and again copy this path. Okay, now again add it Hadoop underscore home, and in the value again paste the same path. Okay, now you have to go into the path variable. You have to click new, paste the value here, and you have to add one more thing, is basically /bin. That's it. Now you have configured the system variables also. Okay, now since everything is done, now let us check our Spark has been installed or not by just running, go to the CMD and type spark-shell. Press enter. Now let's see. Okay, it's running. Okay, and yeah, so we have successfully installed Spark on our system. That's why you're seeing this sort of interface. Now there is also one good thing about this, is as you can see there is this Spark contest web UI available at this. So you can just copy this link, copy it, and now go to your system, open a new tab, and paste the link here and press enter. Now you can see this is the web UI version of the Spark. Now you can see any jobs that is currently running in the job, stages section which provide the stages of all the job, storage, environments, and executors. So basically it's loading the executors page. So yeah, this is how you can, if you want some web UI version to do work in Spark, you can do this via go to this one particular link. It will just appear in the CMD when you type Spark Shell. So you can just copy paste this link and paste it in your browser. And yeah, this is much about how to install Spark into your system. Hope you would have enjoyed the video. Thank you.